Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a Project Life process video using the Mini Book Makers Club kit from Everyday Explorers. And this kit is number 18 and it's called Life Lately. And I am not going to use the mini book because I'm going to use the items on a Project Life spread. I'm also looking through my printable cards from Everyday Explorers. And I'm going to have all these items linked below. That way you can get the items that you like. They are affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And thank you to those who use them. And I love this card that says currently watching. They have the new note cards that are 3.5 by 5, but they also have a printable version that is 3 by 4, perfect for Project Life. And when you get the printables, you also get a PNG file which you can take into Photoshop to change the colors like I did with the one on the left. The other one is a currently card from Are You Kristen? And one thing that I love about this kit is the stamp set that I use in the cards. It has this seal that says currently right now. It has the smaller circle that says right now and currently, and stamps that you can use on your Project Life all the time. And another thing that I liked about this kit is that it would be something really good for day in the life or week in the life. If I ever were to do any project like that, I would pick a mini book. They are just so easy to work on those. And I just stamped and added one of the mini word stickers. This kit comes with 3 5x7 sticker sheets, including one that has phrases, and that one is probably my favorite. Is most of the time is my favorite thing to use. I love to keep the little word stickers and all the rest of the stickers around to use in my Project Life. So I'm going to use the stickers a lot, and I'm going to use, as always, my little stickers that I got from Target. Those are American Greeting stickers. And I just wanted to make a filler card, so I took this printable from a past kit and added some stickers. And it's just going to be a filler card, so I'm going to try to keep it as simple as I can. And this week my daughters we got a book about STEM and actually STEAM projects, and one of them was making a lava lamp, and I kept reusing the oil. And it was genius because we just kept using the same oil for the lava lamps over and over, and it was one of their favorite projects from the book. And these bottles look really cute. They are the ones from the Starbucks creamers, so it looked really cute if you want to keep it. And of course, if you've never done it, is oil, water, Alka-Seltzer, and food coloring. And this is a screenshot from an app that I use to track my period, but I was feeling like very anxious and irritated, and sometimes they have little tips or information about what that sort of thing is happening. And I took a screenshot because I think I sent it to someone, and I decided to use it in my Project Life, which is something that I do often, taking screenshots from apps and other things to add to my Project Life. And I love that currently stamp with the handwriting, and there's also a smaller one that says currently, so you can use it either for a title card or on a photo if you want to. This is a photo of my daughter singing a song, and I think I took that photo while I was taking a video. So It's a still, but I love how it turned out. I'm going to use a lot of colors in this layout, including that rainbow washi tape. This is my journaling card. It actually has a calendar format, like a monthly calendar, but I just decided to use it as my title card. And these alphas are from Everyday Explorers. I think these are the confetti alphas. There's so many, but this one with different colors is the confetti one. And also this kit has some number stickers that you can again use for Week in the Life, but in this case I'm going to use it for my title card to write that it was week 14. And I'm also going to use some of the stamps. That Life Lately stamp, it's really cute, and I love how some of the stamps are also stickers. So if you don't have that many colors and you want to add colors to your layout or your mini book, it's a good way to do it. And I used a bunch of those, not the little word stickers or the numbers, the other ones that have that currently sticker and the circle. It was a month where I used the stickers a lot, and I just went through my little box of labels and grabbed this green one, and I'm going to use a little roller stamp to stamp a pencil between the dates. I do have a lot of roller stamps that I don't use often. I should use them more often. And I'm just gonna layer a bunch of items in this title card. I do love a busy title card. I wanted something like that had like a collage sort of feel. And I always, whenever my stamps are new, what I do is I use a Tombow Mono eraser to remove that film that new stamps have. Then I add a little bit of ink, I clean it up, and then I pick up ink again, and then I stamp. And the little pad that I'm using underneath the card, it's for the same reason, so they have a little bit of cushion and they stamp better. This is a title card, lots of items. And I love the stamp that says, "Our days look like this." That is one that I am going to use very often. And the inks I used are from Studio Calico, the Color Theory one. These are the premium dye, I want to say, yes, premium dye ink. And I have a bunch of colors. I love using them. They're really handy. And this little word stickers, as always, I am going to do a lot of layering with washi tape, and I'm going to add some stickers. And this is the process of them making the lava lamps. And this is a different science project. It's, I don't remember what it's called, but the shaving cream is supposed to be like a cloud, and the food coloring is supposed to be rain. So I'm gonna stamp, and I'm also going to use the little word sticker and also my super tiny stickers from Target. And I went to Target the other day. If you haven't seen the video that I share on Instagram, you should, because I found a bunch of really cool stickers. I didn't buy any, but actually I bought like 3, but they were really cute. I'm going to use my super tiny heart stickers, and I'm running out. I used a tiny puffy cloud to, mimic the project she was doing. And this is just a drawing that she made. I do take a lot of pictures of her art. I haven't done it lately because she stopped leaving them all around the house. She has a place in her room where she can put it's an IKEA paper organizer, so she has clean papers at the bottom, and at the top she can put all of her new drawings. So once in a while I check there, but lately I haven't, and apparently she's planning to leave the planet, and I don't blame her. Humans are so weird. So I took one of the 4x6 papers and I cut it in half to make a 3x4 card. I love using the 3x3 photos, and there was a year, I think it was 2018, where I used 3x3 photos a lot, and I was using the page protectors from October Afternoon, but I ran out, and then I just stopped taking so many square photos, which sucks because those layouts were really cool and they were really cute. And this is another project called Traveling Rainbow, I believe it's called. And this is how it looked during this week. Next week, there's a photo of the final project, because I think she did this on a Sunday, and at first the colors weren't traveling really fast. So the final result was seen the next week. And this is my flower that it's hibernating right now, but might as well be dead. And this is that seal stamp that I love so much, that currently right now. And I love this photo. This is actually my oldest bottle, and in the back you can see my youngest working on her bottle, and you can see the little Alka-Seltzer pill too. These cards I got from a grab bag from Everyday Explorers, but they're so good for journaling, and I love cards with small spaces because I tend to write pretty small, and I use the 02 Tombow Mono Drawing pen to write my journaling. And this is the final layout. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you want any of the items that I use, they're going to be linked below too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!